Well, we just got to the trailhead for McAfee Knob, and I'm realizing I forgot my trail runners. All I got is my Crocs, so I just drove 3 hours to get here, and there's no way I'm not doing this hike, so looks like we're doing it in Crocs. See how this goes. Somebody is ready to go. It's 7.9 miles and just under 2,000 feet of elevation gains. You know what? I'm pretty confident I can do it. Put these bitches in sport mode. I got my Red Bull too. All right, let's get it. All right, we started. Honestly, I think I'll be fine. I can feel every single rock and pebble that I'm stepping on, but other than that, I think I'll be okay. Already got a pretty view. Got here much later than I wanted. Started at around 10:30, but it was like a 3-hour drive and set an alarm for 4, 5, and 6. And I didn't end up waking up until 7. So I just need the extra sleep, which is okay, but I am a little bummed that I'm starting so late because there were a lot of cars in the parking lot, but I've only seen a few people so far, so it hasn't been too bad. All right, I think we're getting close. We're like 3.5 miles in. Beautiful day. It's a little humid, not gonna lie, but it's not too bad. Update on the Crocs. Honestly, it's not too bad. I can't really tell much of a difference, honestly, but we'll see once I get back to the car. Here, get a stick. Get a stick. There you go. Yeah, get that. Get that. Wait. Okay. Psycho. Alright, so we're at 5.8 miles. I'm definitely feeling some blisters coming in, which honestly was to be expected. But honestly, other than that, I feel pretty okay. That feels so weird. Oh, you okay? Oh. Alright, I kind of get the hype around the whole liquid IV element electrolyte thing. I used to be like, hey, just drink water, but when you're hiking, it kind of works. Kind of works. Not gonna lie, I feel hydrated. Hi, little friend. Let me help you out. Oh, he's like kind of dead, I think. Oh no, he's alive. Don't eat him. Okay, I'm gonna put you right there. Bye-bye. Yuck. Yuck. Gross. Alright, we've made it back to the car. We did 8.62 miles, so pretty good. Okay, so review of the Crocs. I'll start out with the pros. They're very lightweight. They're very breathable, which was really nice. Like, my feet aren't sweaty at all. Moving on to the cons. Every sharp rock that I stepped on, don't mind her, she's getting comfortable. Every sharp rock I stepped on, I could really feel. Obviously, they provide no support anywhere. They were more comfortable than I anticipated them to be, but it's not really saying a whole lot, you know? I also was pleasantly surprised at how grippy they were. Like, these, I've had them for a little over a year now, and they still have some grip, but they're like, the soles are pretty worn down. So I was expecting to be slipping in them a lot, but they were surprisingly pretty grippy, which was nice. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't wear them on another long hike. But honestly, on like max 4 miles, I think I could get away with wearing them. And I honestly might, because I kind of like it. Okay, so if you don't already know what those little bugs were that I kept showing, the ones that were like all over the tree, those are called lanternflies or spotted lanternflies. They are native to Asia, specifically China, Vietnam, and India, I believe. And they were believed to have been first introduced in either 2012 to 2014. There are a couple different sources that say different things, but they were thought to have arrived on a stone shipment ship. There was a ship that was transporting stone. Their egg masses were on the stone, I guess, that they were shipping, and they were first found in Pennsylvania and have now spread to 17 states in the Northeast and Midwest, and they have become just a huge nuisance. They feed on the sap of multiple different trees and I believe some other plants as well, and this causes the trees to be more susceptible to diseases, and it's really harmful to them overall. If you see them, kill them. They're terrible. I know they're pretty, but you gotta do it. Are you pooped? Ready to go home and see Coda? You wanna see your little brother? Your Coda? Personally, I'm actually not that tired, honestly. That was a pretty easy hike. Highly recommend though. However, forgetting my hiking shoes is a mistake that I will not make again, hopefully. So, you live and you learn, I guess.